All right, so today is a beautiful day. It's nice and sunny, as you can see here. And today's the first car meet of the season that we're going to. And when I say we're, I'm talking about my older brother and my friend Daniel. We're gonna go ahead to a local car meet in Coon Rapids, see all the other cars, and then we'll kind of go from there. Right now I'm just kind of waiting for my brother to finish getting ready and for Daniel to get over here so that way we can get going. Yeah, I've had a few people try to buy it off of me already, and I'm like, nah. Oh shit. Ooh, what you got? Your car?
Sure. Want a car wash?
Huh?
Come on, bro. You need a car wash?
I mean, I don't got time for a car wash right now.
After. Your car's not that dirty, bro. Why is that dirty?
I gotta wash mine up, but I'll do it after. Ooh, look at that Mustang. Ooh, look. So we are finally on our way to the car meet, but it took a while. What's up? I am up top parking with a ton of other cars here at the top of the ramp. Yeah, I went all the way upstairs. I don't know why you guys didn't keep coming. I'm over here looking for the Subis so I can park next to one.
Are you upstairs?
Yeah, I'm upstairs. I'm all the way at the top. Cool, cool. See. Up there, I just parked.
You guys still coming up, or where you at?
I'm like in the middle over here. By the Type R's. I'm here, people.
What's up, bro?
I parked like in the middle over there next to another Subaru.
With the 9mm sound. With the 9mm sound.
police is kicking everybody out, so everybody's trying to head out here. So yeah, that's how it went. Nice. Finally moving. Took a while. I finally figured out a different route. A lot of cops and a lot of cars. Oh wow. Ah, that was fun. That diesel. All right, wheels are picked up. We're good to go. We're going back home now. I think that's where I'm headed to. Oh, that was at the car meet too. Hey.